After the sidebar, we have status bar, which is located at the bottom of the window, which is available at the bottom of the window, which shows the slide number and the total number of slides in the presentation. Like we have seen, total number of pages are 30 and the current page number is mentioned. So let's say we are on the fifth page, so it will be displaying fifth slash 30. 30 is the total number of slides and fifth or 5 is the current slide number on which we are working. It also consists of zoom slider, which helps to zoom in and zoom out your slide, which will make the slide bigger or smaller to look or to view. So this zoom slide is also available, which will zoom in and zoom out the contents of the slide. Then we have drawing toolbar, which allows you to draw different shapes in your slide, like lines, text, or callouts, or we have the different types of polygons. All these type of drawings or these shapes can be drawn by using the drawing toolbar. The next topic is how to create a new presentation. For creating a new presentation, you would have to open a new presentation, which is available in your file menu, as we have done in most of the programs. Open up the file menu, click on the new option, and the new presentation will appear in front of your screen. Placeholders. As you have seen in the different slide layouts, that there are particular positions to put the text, headlines, or titles along with the picture. Now these particular positions are known as placeholders. I would like to discuss here. Like you can see different types of slide layout. Some is blank, some have a title and a content part, single title, no content part, single title along with two pictures or two contents. So these are different types of slide layout which are inbuilt available in the program. Now these particular part which are being represented by dotted form, where you write the title or the content, these particular designated points or these designated parts are known as placeholder. They are being used Okay, so this is the placeholder which we have talked about. They are the designated or the particular points where we can put up our content text as per our requirement in the slide. Then the next topic is how to save your current work or the presentation. As we know, to save the work, we have to again click on the file menu, which consists of the option save. Once you will click on the save option, it will ask you to enter the name of the presentation, and the file or the presentation will be saved by that name itself. Once you will click on the save button, the presentation will be saved in computer's memory or in your system memory safely. We want to put up one more thing, that the presentation extension or the extension of the file made in LibreOffice Impress. The extension is .odp. Extension is the word or is the file format which is attached after the name of the file. So if I have saved any presentation with the name Srijit, the complete file extension will be srijit.odp. ODP defines or explains which type of file we are looking at. Closing the presentation. For closing the presentation, we have to click on the file menu and have to select close option, which will successfully close the impress or sorry which will successfully close the program if the contents or the presentation are saved properly. If haven't, while closing, it will ask you to save the presentation. Once you have saved it, the program will be closed properly. Now, how to open a saved presentation? To open a saved presentation, we would have the name of the file which we want to open. Click on the file menu, click on the option open, select the file or the presentation which you want to open, click on the open button. The particular file will be opened in front of you. Then we have how you can edit the presentation. Now, editing means to changing the layouts, to change the content. Okay, so what does editing means? Editing a presentation means making changes in it, such as changing the layout of the existing slide, adding pictures to the slide, or inserting and deleting slides. These are some of the basic editing editing methods which we can apply on the slide. Now, as we have discussed, what is a slide layout? Slide layout is an arrangement of all the items. Now, let's say our slide may contain music, the image, or a video, or a title, or some contents in text. So all these are arranged in a proper all these are arranged in a slide in a presentation. So this is your slide layout. We had just discussed that these are some of the slide layouts which are pre-built, or you can say pre-installed in the program. We can have a blank slide. We can have slide consist of one title, a picture, and two contents. All these are different layouts, different way or different manner in which you can display the information on a slide. Okay, so we can change the layout. For changing it, what you have to do, these are the different types of layout, like title content, title slide, title only layout, or blank slide. We can change the slide layout as per our requirement. How we can add the picture to the slide? For adding the picture, you have to first insert the picture on through the slide, for which you have to click on the insert menu. Okay, from here you have to select that you have to insert a picture from the file option, and from the file you will select the location where the picture is saved. Click on that picture. You can also see the preview of the image which you have selected. Once you have finalized the picture, you can click on open, and the desired picture will be opened on the slide, or it will be inserted on the slide. How we can insert a new slide? For inserting a new slide, again click on the insert menu, click on the slide option, and a new slide will be inserted. You can also select the layouts as per the requirement, or in the slide pane area you can right click. When you will right click, a pop-up menu will be opened, and from that pop-up menu you can select new slide option. So these are different ways of inserting new slide. You can insert from the insert menu. You can insert it on the slide pane itself by using the right click, or we have a slide button, new slide button, which is available on the standard toolbar. You can click on it and a new slide will be inserted on the presentation. I hope the different methods of inserting slide is clear to you. Then comes how we can delete a slide. For deleting a slide,